What do you have to do on the following Christmas day?
I'm not sure.
But you don't have any plan because it's a big day. It's coming very soon.
It's coming soon, yeah, but it's just Christmas. And Christmas is mainly supposed to be with your family, and if I don't have my family with me, then
Why not?
it's not really celebrating with. Because I guess, let's just say, some people aren't like their family, but just by birth, and they tend to not want good things to happen for you, so they're negative. So in that order, you have to keep your distance. So my distance is, you know,
So yeah, okay, I understand. But are
kind
you?
of staying true to.
Yeah, okay. Are you happy to be alone?
I mean, no, but I mean, I'm happy. Don't get me wrong, because I don't have, like, people lying to me,
Oh my
being
God.
rude, whatever the case may be, and I'm just in my own environment, and I'd rather be in a good environment than be surrounded by a whole bunch of people that are fake.
Oh goodness, what did you say that did you? I mean, did you get any frustrated to be with someone?
I mean, I have my dog and I have my daughter, but right now I have to share my daughter more with her dad, so I kind of just,
Oh,
yeah,
sorry.
it's just
I'm
complicated.
I'm really so sorry just to hear your history. It's really so hard to move on with this saddest moment. How old are your daughter is? May I know?
She's she's 7.
Okay, 7. Okay, but shit, I know it's really so complicated to know the people at the present world. Okay, how you will live to someone, and even as we know that people cannot live alone. But if you wanted to choose a boy or man, so it's very hard. As you got the so misunderstanding or you got the frustrated to be with someone, so hard for you actually.
I think in the end of the day that this is getting me ready for stuff that's going to happen in my future, and I believe that it might seem so bad now, but in the future it's getting me ready for what I want to do, and it's making me see that the difference of, I don't know, the things I'm going through. It's meant for me to go through so I can help in the future. So it's like I might hate it now, but later on it's gonna be amazing. I just got to keep my head up.
Definitely, you should keep your head up. Okay, so do you work there?
Um, I work, like, I get paid by Bigo, and then I'm gonna start a new job tomorrow. I
That's
just got it.
you
What
got.
I want to do is eventually I want to work with special needs, but also with children, pretty much.
Yeah, okay, so I think your daughter just listen to you very carefully, and your daughter also loves you so much because your daughter is also so lucky. She got a beautiful mother as you are taking good care of your daughter, really.
She is just like me, and at the end of the day, she's really strong. She's really beautiful, and she knows what's going on, and she knows who's trying, what's trying, and it will all work out for the best. And yeah,
Yeah,
but
okay.
thank you for that.
I really I will do pray for you, but are you single?
Hmm.
Okay,
Hmm.
but I think until your daughter get messier, you may not get involved the making the friendship with anybody, right?
I don't want to, because it takes the focus off what's right for me and my daughter. So it's like once I get that, then once I get there, then maybe. But I just want what's best for me and my daughter first. And if anybody can't handle that, then
Yeah.
you know.
Yeah, for sure. I understand that you wanted to keep your head up and for your daughter future, and that's it. Look, wish I could be in your country. I would meet you. Just to be honest, my life also really is full of sorrows, just like you. It's I understand when somebody just stuck to me their sorrows life. I understand.
I don't know. But hey, we might not be in the same country in the same place, but at least we still have Bigo where we can like give each other positivity and the advice and stuff. There you go. There you go.
Yeah.
Okay, so like if you could take your fingers like this and
Yeah.
stick them together. There you go.
Yeah.
Separate. Separate. You did a good job.
Oh,
You did a good job. That was good.
have a good day. Hope you will have a brighter future and your daughter will do better things in her life. She knows everything. She's know how it's going your mother life. So thank you so much for joining here. I'm really so happy to see you once again. Have a
Thank you. And
okay.
we can always do this once a week or whatever the case may be. Just remember you're amazing.
Okay.